Welcome back, students. So this is question number 3 from D1 book, chapter number 4, exercise 4a. So the question number 3 is, given that a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 6, evaluate the following expressions. A, 3c minus b. So we just have to put in the values of the variables. A is 3, C is 6 minus B, that is minus 5. Now we're going to solve the brackets. 3 times 6 is 18 minus, multiplied by minus will become plus, and this will be 5. So add it. 18 plus 5 is 23. So 23 times 3 is 69. This is the answer. Okay, in B part, AB square minus AC. ठीक है, A की value is 3, B value is minus 5 and square, तो हम इसको ऐसे स्क्वायर कर देंगे. Minus A value is 3 and then C's value is 6. We need to solve it. 3 minus 5 का square, I'm going to show it over here. Minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, so that's going to be minus into minus is plus, and this is 25. Minus 3 6 are 18. 25 times 3. If you don't have a calculator, you have to do the working. Just to be sure, 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 7, 75. Minus 18. So 75 minus 18 will be 57. So this is the answer. Okay, so I've written the part C and part D over here. So part C says B divided by A minus C divided by B. So just like before, we'll just put in our values. B की वैल्यू है -5, A की वैल्यू है 3 माइनस C की वैल्यू है 6 डिवाइडेड बाय B की वैल्यू है -5. Okay. Now we cannot solve these fractions unless the denominators are the same. Let's multiply this by 3 and multiply this fraction by -5. Right? So our denominator will be minus 15, because minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. The minus into minus will become plus, and 5 5s are 25, minus 6 times 3 is 18. Now when there is a plus sign and a minus sign, we will always minus and add the bigger number sign. So the bigger number sign is plus. 7 by minus 15. So this cannot be simplified any further. So this is going to be our answer. We can also write it down as minus 7 by 15. Okay. Alright, let's do this. B's value is minus 5 plus C's value is 6 divided by A's value is 3 plus 3 plus C's value is 6 divided by B's value is minus 5. ठीक है? Okay. 1 divided by 3, because minus 5 plus 6. We will always minus and add the bigger number sign. तो 6 माइनस 5 इज़ 1, ठीक है। और बड़ा साइन हम लगाएंगे विच इज़ प्लस। कुछ लगाएं या ना लगाएं कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है इसका मतलब यहाँ पे प्लस है, ठीक है। प्लस 9 divided by minus 5. Again our denominators are the same, it's going to be the same working over here. Multiply by 3, multiply by minus 5, it will become minus 5 plus 9 times 3 is 27 divided by minus 15, ठीक है। 27 minus 5, it's going to be 22. So 22 divided by minus 15, right? Okay, this cannot be simplified, although we can turn it into a mixed fraction. उसके लिए भी you can do the working over here, and whatever is the quotient you write over here, the remainder you write over here, and the denominator over here. Anyway, I'll show you. minus 15 ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. Okay, to do this working, I'll do this working over here in the tiny space I have here. I'll do it. 22 and 15. Okay, so 15 times 1 is 15, right? Remainder we get is 7. So we write 1 here, and this remainder 7, sorry, we write this 1 over here, and the remainder 7 will come here. This is our answer. Okay guys, let's do question number 4 as well. Simplify each of the following expressions. Part A, 5x plus 22 minus 6x minus 23. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं कि जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं ना, जिनके वेरिएबल्स सेम हैं, उनको इकट्ठे लिख लेते हैं. 5x माइनस 6x, और ये नंबर्स जो हैं उनको इकट्ठे लिख लेते हैं, प्लस 22 माइनस 23. अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. 5x minus 6x, there is a plus sign and a minus sign. We will always minus and add the bigger number sign. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Bigger sign is minus and x. Over here as well, we will always minus and add the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 23. 23 के पास माइनस का साइन है, हम इधर माइनस लगा देंगे और हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 1. So we can also write it as minus x minus 1. So this is our answer. Okay, so part B. x plus 3y plus 6x plus 4y. लाइक टर्म्स को हम एक साथ कर देंगे. x plus 6x plus 3y plus 4y. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा हुआ वेरिएबल के साथ, इसका मतलब यहाँ पे 1 लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. हम इसको 1 कंसिडर करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ 1x. सो x plus 6x will be 7x plus 3y plus 4y will be plus 7y. 7x plus 7y. This is our answer. Okay, so 6x minus 20y plus 7z minus 8x plus 25y minus 11z. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या स्टेप है हमारा कि हमने लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ करना है. 6x minus 8x minus 20y plus 25y plus 7z minus 11z. 6x minus 8x. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, when there is a plus sign and a minus sign, we will always minus and add the bigger number sign. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So this will be minus 2x plus 5y. 25 minus 20 is 5 and the bigger number is plus. तो हमने यहाँ पे प्लस लिखा, plus 5y plus 7z minus 11z. Okay, so 11 minus 7 is 4 and the bigger number is 11. तो 11 के साथ माइनस का साइन है, हम यहाँ पे माइनस लगाएंगे, minus 4z. Okay, so this is the answer.